Ever wondered how money is made? From blank paper to the power in your hands, this is the journey of currency notes.
The first process in note printing begins with cotton. Carefully selected cotton is fed into a threshing machine to begin its transformation.
The processed cotton is then transferred onto a conveyor, moving continuously to the next stage of production. Water is added to the cotton, allowing it to flow smoothly through a network of large pipes for further processing.
The cotton and water slurry is then poured into a large tank, where it is thoroughly mixed to achieve a uniform consistency.
The pulp is then poured onto a screening sheet, where excess water is separated, leaving behind a denser fiber layer.
Now the cotton is cleaned and pressed, forming a continuous sheet-like structure. Now, the cotton sheet is treated with laser technology to remove even the smallest invisible impurities.
Now, the paper is ready for the printing process.
The paper is then cut into precise sizes.
Now, the paper is stacked into bundles.
Now, the bundles are taken to a desired location through conveyors.
Defective sheets are rejected, while approved paper is bundled and packed, ready for the printing process.
Now, the paper is taken to the examination center, where it is carefully tested by specialists.
Now, the necessary settings and values are carefully configured in the printing machine.
The bundles of paper are inserted into the printing machine.
The printer begins to print the currency notes on the paper with extreme precision.
Proper colors are now added to the currency note, bringing the design to life.
The notes are printed continuously with remarkable accuracy. The printed notes are passed through a sterilization chamber, where impurities and microorganisms are eliminated. Now, the printed notes are stacked, one over another, to form bundles.
Unique seals are added to each note, ensuring authenticity and security.
Intricate designs are carefully carved onto each note, enhancing its security.
Now, a unique silver security thread is embedded into the notes, one of the key features you may have noticed on Indian currency.
After that, a unique serial number is printed on each note.
The process of stamping is carried out at multiple stages, ensuring that no counterfeit notes can ever be produced.
The notes are then dried by passing them through controlled airflow. The printed notes are now ready to flow into the economy.
The notes are passed through an inspection chamber, where defective notes are removed during the process.
Now, the bundles are packed and sealed.
The notes are then transferred to a highly secured chamber. The notes are stored in a highly secured room, under surveillance 24/7.
The seal of the Reserve Bank of India is applied to all the note bundles.
Now these notes will be dispatched into ATMs and banks for the usage of people.
Now the notes are loaded into these highly secured vans to move them to banks and designated ATM machines.
loaded van carrying the notes are ready to depart.
Now the notes are counted and stacked in the bank locker. The note bundles are also filled into ATM machines for use by the public.
And this is how money finally reaches you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.